Everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 460 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1958 Bel Air. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the aluminum heads on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted, these chrome Chevrolet valve covers, the Chevrolet air cleaner with washable element, chrome thermostat housing, aluminum intake manifold. We have the quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring and bracket, and throttle cable ball. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there, brass freeze plugs. We have the MSD ignition coil installed, small cap distributor for the 58 Bel Air, real important for firewall clearance. We have the PCV valve in there, all the braided ventilation line on there, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups, proper flex plate, tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy and the customer's transmission, high torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump. Customer requested the braided fuel lines. We put all the braided fuel lines, gas filter, all the way up to the carburetor with the chrome fuel line. It's real nice. Polished Wraptor pulley kit on here, AC compressor, self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy-duty 8-rib belt on there, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there, easy hookups right there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature fully dialed in, timing set, carburetor fully adjusted. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.